Welcome to Factory Process. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
These look like a good batch.
Nice and firm. Nice and firm.
Let's get them checked.
Make sure we are sorting these by size as well.
Yes, I am logging all the data.
The clamshell containers pass through a metal detection tunnel. Each container moves through the tunnel on the conveyor belt.
These containers are then grouped and packed for shipment. The sealed boxes pass under a thermal transfer printer that applies a large case label to one side panel.
Each box is now registered in the facility's warehouse management system. The digital tracking ensures food safety compliance and efficient distribution.
All right, that pallet's complete and scanned, ready for wrapping. Looks good there. Okay, next one.
Make sure it's snug against the others. Got it, got it. This one's logged.
We're on schedule. Keep them coming.
Temperature confirmed at 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Manifest reviewed. Pallet count and product codes match. Cold chain maintained.
We do a number of tests for quality. First, there's a visual inspection for color, size, and any defects.
Make sure that belt is spotless before we start up again.
Roger that. Checking sensor calibration now.
It is critical that all staff understand their roles in maintaining quality and safety. Hands-on training will follow. Rejected berries from sorting are collected for juice production. Cardboard boxes and plastic packaging are separated for recycling. Daily review of temperature logs, cleaning records, and quality tests ensures our high standards are met.
Very staff rates.
With this new sorting technology, we can enhance both efficiency and quality control.
How often are these temperature logs calibrated?
We verify them daily, with full calibration performed quarterly. All outbound shipments departed on schedule. Cold chain maintained. Real-time tracking confirms locations and temps.
All right, team. Day shift is wrapping up. Night shift, welcome. Let's keep these berries moving. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.